employee performance is now based on AI skills.
How dare you?
Yup. Can you believe that? Can you handle that? So, Meta is about to start grading workers on their AI skills.
I'm in a bind, Nate.
And this article is brought to us by Yahoo Finance, written by Jyoti Mann. And all right, so the TLDR, in case you just want to watch the first 30 seconds and move on with your life. Meta will assess employee performance by AI-driven impact starting in 2026.
Bruh.
You can run, but you cannot hide. AI is coming. It is coming so fast, so furious. All right. The company is shifting towards an AI native culture and incentivizing AI adoption through rewards. Meta is also rolling out an AI tool to assist employees in writing performance reviews. I hate writing. I don't mind doing a review, but I hate the whole process of answering all these questions. Just tell me how I'm doing. Meta will tie employee performance to their AI-driven impact starting next year. I've seen so many companies who are saying, as part of their performance reviews, they are adding AI to it. How are you using AI? What are all the ways that you're using AI in your job to go faster, to be better, to be more creative, to be more efficient? The social media giant is making AI-driven impact a core expectation. It's not a side expectation. It's a core. It's a main one. From 2026, Janelle Gale, Meta's head of people, told employees Thursday in an internal memo, which was seen by Business Insider. Meta will assess employees on how they use AI to deliver results and build tools that can move the needle in major ways when it comes to productivity. Individual AI usage and adoption metrics won't be included in the 2025 annual performance reviews, according to the memo, though workers should include their AI field wins in their self-reviews. We have 1,000,001 AI wins on this channel. And for work, I have a lot of AI wins as well. Because I'm telling you, I'll give you a quick example of what I did yesterday. But if anybody asks, I did it on Friday, but it was yesterday. I mean, when you're watching it, you have no idea what day this is on anyways. You might be watching this on a Tuesday. That means I did it on Monday. Or you might be watching it on a Monday, which means I did it on a Sunday. Regardless. What I did was, we have these tests that run primarily so they can only run in one region in our sandbox environment because we don't have the sandbox environment configured for all the regions that we have our application running in. So what I did was I used AI to help me get my, I said, basically, help me run this in, write some code, give me some code that I can put in there that says only run this in this AWS region when I pass the flag that says that this is a sandbox environment. So now when the test is running against a particular step, oh, this is EUS1. Oh, this is what is it called? This is AP South 1, whatever, right? And it says, let me ignore this test, but for the other test that's in US East 1, it's going to keep going. Implemented that, kicked it off, and we had results immediately showing us that things are on the up and up. So we're getting there. We are getting there. All right. But that's just a small subset of it. How to refactor how to add more features. I searched for something the other day. I'm like, oh, we have this file that generates this information, but we don't have an easy way to see it. How can we build something where once this file is updated, it regenerates a README documentation that gives us all of the latest information, so it always stays so fresh and so clean. So many ways to use AI to enhance your workflow, but resistance is futile, right? A Meta spokesperson referenced an earlier statement made to Business Insider on AI adoption. It's well known that this is a priority, and we're focused on using AI to help employees with their day-to-day work. A Meta spokesperson told Business Insider. It says the move marks a broader shift within corporate America towards an AI native culture. Big tech firms, including Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, are pushing employees to do more with AI. The directives given to workers have been unified and clear. Using it is no longer optional. Yup. As one Microsoft executive put to its managers in June, Google CEO Sundar Pichai, I think it's Pichai, all right, had a similar message for employees in a July all-hands meeting, telling employees that they need to use it for Google to lead the AI race. Earlier this year, Meta overhauled its hiring process by allowing job applicants to use AI in coding interviews. What? Did they do that? It also launched an internal game called Level Up to incentivize AI adoption, and now it's willing to reward workers who use AI to drive meaningful outcomes. As we move towards an AI native future, we want to recognize the people who are helping us get there faster, Gail wrote in the memo. For 2025, we'll reward those who made exceptional AI-driven impact, either in their own work or by improving their team's performance. Meta is also overhauling how workers write performance reviews and feedback by rolling out an AI performance assistant to use in this year's performance review cycle, which begins on December 8th, according to the memo. Gail wrote that employees can use this internal AI assistant MetaMate, as well as Google's Gemini for their performance content. Just have to think real quick. Google and Facebook are not competitors. I just had to process that. Employees have already been using Meta's internal AI bot to help write performance reviews, Business Insider previously reported. Well, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. All right. It is what it is. It is what does this sound? Okay. I wasn't sure what that sound was, but you gotta do it. You gotta do it.
I'm in a bind, Nate.
Nate can't save you now. Only the AI overlords can save you, so that you got to do it. Bruh. But I love it though. I enjoy it. I enjoy using AI to help me more efficient in all things that I do. Shout out to Meta.
Thought you was riding. Thought you was 10 toes down. The second something shiny came, you folded. It's cool though. You just told me how to move. Watch this. Used to think we was a unit, thought the back was covered. Thought you was my dog, man, thought you was my brother. Smiling in my face, shit, you really played a part. Acting like you with me, had me giving you my heart. But the loyalty was passing, man, that shit was see-through. Waiting for your moment, that's what fake ones be, dude. Soon as opportunity came knocking on the door, you ain't even hesitate, you just went and asked for more. You ain't look back once, you went your own way. Show me who you were, man, I got nothing left to say. I ain't mad, I ain't bitter, ain't no salt to spill. You just lit a fire, man, you just made the focus real. You just gave me fuel, man, I'm moving only faster. I ain't got no time for what a flaky person says. I am on a mission, you are in my way. I'm cutting off the dead weight, I don't care who suffers. If you ain't with vision, then you're undercovers. Sleeping on the grind, I am wide awake. Every year you handed me just taught me what to take. And I'm taking everything I am putting first. All that fake love, man, it was a damn curse. Now the curse is broken, now I see the path. You just woke the monster, you can do the math. Yeah, this a full court press. press it, I ain't letting up. Put myself first, I'm filling my own cup. No empathy, no sympathy, I'm on my purpose. Y'all just flaky people, man, you make me nervous. This a full court, press it, I am all out focused. Who in my team, then you're just a locust. I ain't mad, I'm motivated, time to run the score. Yeah, I'm locked in, man, I'm kicking down the door. So I don't look around, I just look ahead. Every promise that I made to myself is fed. All focus, all gas, I ain't gotta brag. I don't care about your feelings or your new mistake. You made your choice, and now I'm making mine. My purpose is the only thing I see. I'm on the line, you are just a ghost, man, a lesson that I learned. Thanks for showing me that my own back is all I earn. So I'm holding it down, I'm the one I trust. Turning all the betrayal right in the dust. Watch me build an empire while you watch me from the side. Should've stayed down when you should've learned to ride. Full court present, all focus, all out. No sympathy. Yeah, locked in. Purpose.